Hello everyone, these beautiful colors are for my next project. I am starting a granny square blanket using these colors. I have planned to make as many different granny square blocks as I can. I will try and make different motifs and other patterns. I hope you will join me on this journey and make at least a couple of these blocks with me. So let's start our journey. The first one will be the most basic granny square. Let's start. We will first make a slip knot and make a chain of 4 and then join the first and last stitch with a slip knot. Now we will chain 3. This chain 3 will be our first double crochet, and second and third. This is our first cluster, chain 2, and we will make our second cluster. This is our second cluster, again chain 2 and third cluster. Chain 2 and last cluster. Chain 2 and we will join with the third chain of the first double crochet. That was 3 chains. Let's start the second one. Turn your work and make your first cluster in the chain 2 space, chain 2 and second cluster. So now in every chain 2 space we will make 2 clusters, chain 1 above a cluster and in the corner. Chain 2 chain 1 above a cluster and in the next chain 2 space we will again make 2 clusters, chain 2 chain 1 above a cluster, and in the last chain 2 space we will again make 2 clusters joined together with 2 chains. So this is my first cluster and I have made 2 chains, and this is my second cluster. Chain 1 and let's join with the first chain 3. Now we have made 2 rounds. I will start the next round on camera and then I'll finish my block off camera. turn your work and in the space make one cluster. Chain one, and in the corner I will make two clusters. Chain one. So let me just finish my round and I'll see you. So we have got only this much left, and I have made chain one and I'll make my corner now. This is my last round of this particular block because I have decided that my blocks will be around 6 inches. So let me just finish it and then I'll show you the measurements. And this is my last cluster. Oh, I forgot chain one, and this is the last cluster. Chain one and join with the chain three. Let me cut the yarn and we will bind off now. To bind off, I just do it twice here. This is the first block of my granny square blanket. Now let's hide these tails. I have got two tails. Where is the other one? This one. This is the starting tail and this is the ending tail of my block. So I will just take the yarn, and you can use tapestry needle as well, but I find it convenient to just use my crochet hook and weave in my tail end. Just do it a couple of times, or however long your tail end is. And I will go in between my stitches and just like that it's done. Let's measure it as well, and it's a little short of 6 inches. So this is my first block. I will see you again with the next block. So until then, take care.